This fellow Corvo kettle is really cool. It has features I never thought possible on a kettle. You can fine tune it you're making tea or French press. You can set it to boil based on your altitude. It has Wi-Fi. It has an alarm. It's really nice, and it's sturdy, and it boils water in seconds, less than a minute. And it doesn't feel like the lid's gonna fall off when you're pouring your hot water over your tea. I'm happy with it.
One of my favorite home products is the fellow Corvo EKG Pro electric tea kettle. It has a bunch of cool features, including being able to set to the exact temperature you want your water to heat to. Once it reaches it, it'll hold there for as long as you want. This quick heating kettle is perfect for all your tea and pour-over coffee needs. Cheers!